Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to add money to Cash App from your bank account. So for that, just simply open your Cash App on your smartphone. Now click on this profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. And here, just scroll down a little bit and click on linked banks. Here you will see this option called link debit card. Just click on it, and here you will see this page where you have to fill all your card details. And once you fill all the details right here, just click on link card. Once you click on link card, your debit card will be linked to the Cash App and so your bank account as well. And after that, just come back to your home screen and click on this icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. Here you will see this option called add cash. Just click on it, and here you will see the amount that has already been written here, or you can simply type the amount you want to add and click on add. This is how you will add money from your bank account to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.